How much can I withdraw from Ally Checking? Intro. Hey there, you've just hit a major financial milestone. Maybe it's a down payment on a dream home, or perhaps it's a substantial investment. You've been saving diligently, and now the money is sitting in your Ally Checking account. But a question lingers: how much can you actually withdraw at once without raising any eyebrows? Hook. You might have heard rumors or myths about daily withdrawal limits, or maybe you're just unsure about the rules. Well, let's dive into it together and find out exactly how much you can withdraw from your Ally Checking account. Context. Ally Bank is known for its high-interest savings and checking accounts. They're a popular choice for many people because of their online-only model, which means lower overhead costs and higher interest rates. But when it comes to withdrawing money, there are some things you need to know. Understanding withdrawal limits. The short answer is, Ally doesn't have a fixed daily withdrawal limit. This means you can potentially withdraw as much as you want, up to the balance in your account. However, there are a few factors that can influence how much you can withdraw at once. Account type. While Ally doesn't have a specific daily limit, your account type might have certain restrictions. For example, if you have a basic checking account, there might be limitations on how much you can withdraw in a day. ATM network. If you're withdrawing money from an ATM that's not part of Ally's network, there might be a daily limit imposed by the ATM operator. Federal regulations. There are federal regulations in place that limit the amount of cash you can withdraw from a bank in a single day. These regulations are designed to prevent money laundering and other illegal activities. Real-world scenarios. Let's explore some real-world scenarios to get a better understanding of withdrawal limits. Large purchase. If you're planning to make a large purchase, like a car or house, you can likely withdraw the necessary funds from your Ally Checking account without any issues. However, it's always a good idea to give the bank a heads up if you're planning to withdraw a significant amount of money. Emergency withdrawal. If you're facing an emergency and need to withdraw a large sum of money quickly, Ally can usually accommodate your request. However, you might need to provide additional documentation to verify the reason for the withdrawal. Frequent small withdrawals. If you're constantly withdrawing small amounts of money, it's unlikely to trigger any red flags. However, if you're making frequent withdrawals that seem unusual for your account activity, the bank might contact you to verify your identity. Tips for avoiding issues. Here are a few tips to help you avoid any potential issues when withdrawing money from your Ally Checking account. Plan ahead. If you know you're going to need to withdraw a large amount of money, give the bank a heads up. This will help them prepare and ensure that the funds are available. Verify ATM limits. If you're using an ATM that's not part of Ally's network, check the daily withdrawal limit before making a transaction. Be mindful of federal regulations. Be aware of the federal regulations that limit cash withdrawals. If you need to withdraw more than the daily limit, you might need to make multiple transactions over several days. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your account activity to ensure that there are no unauthorized transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, contact Ally immediately. Conclusion. So, how much can you withdraw from your Ally Checking account? The answer is, it depends. While Ally doesn't have a fixed daily withdrawal limit, there are factors that can influence how much you can withdraw at once. By understanding these factors and following the tips we've discussed, you can avoid any potential issues and withdraw your money when you need it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.